Mad Carlos. What's the matter, Booger? Mommy went away for a second to get a drink. Yeah. You didn't like it, huh? No. No. No, I don't like it when Mommy leaves me. Oh, look at that face. You know, it's hard to feel bad, but it's just the cutest face in the world. How can you be mad at that? Or sad? I don't know. Why are you so sad, Booger? Mommy's right here. Mommy's right here. Yeah. And now I'm cranky. Sounds like you're sleepy. Are you sleepy? Where's your binky? So cute. Carlos, you got your blankie and your binky. Are you better? Hmm? You feel better now? Yeah, there you go. You feel better. Oh, look at the sleepy eyes. Look at the sleepy eyes. Oh. Yeah, Mommy knows you're sleepy. But look, you wake up. You know why? 'Cause you don't want to go to sleep. You fight it. Yeah. You fight it, don't you? Yes. Say, Mommy, I don't want to go to sleep. I want to be up with you now. I got my binky, I got my blanket. I'm good. Now what are we doing next? That's how it works, huh? Yes, that's how it works. That's my sleepy booger. There's my sleepy booger. Oh, you hear the doggies? You hear the doggies? Are they bothering you? No, you just want to be up. You don't want to go to sleep. That's how it is. Yeah, you want the blanket off you, but you want it. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. I want to keep it, but then I want it off me because I know I'm sleepy. Yeah. Oh, my baby.